almost certainly be less English.
You're gonna be.
All right, Paris train station.
Lovely. You'll find everything that you will need in here.
Right? So I will take you to the tower. I will explain everything. Just run into the train. Oh my god.
You got it. You're good.
Oh my god. I can't believe it happens to me.
This is beautiful.
It changed the whole thing, right? So because you have Eiffel Tower number 2, 3, whatever, but this is the original. Built in 1889, so 134 years ago. And it was not supposed to stay till today. What a surprise, right?
Oh no! There we go.
Thank you. And I think that something is. Oh, you took my forever.
Tiny elevator.
Oh, really?
And we're in the elevator. Got nice cold air. And we're looking out. Oh wow, there's some intrepid explorers.
That's us.
Doing the elevator or the stairs. Yeah, we'll take the stairs down.
Stairs down.
Feet might be broken. Wow, that's a long ways.
We're only at the top at the.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second floor. Change for the top floor by taking the stairs to the left.
Holy cow. Look at that. Contemplating that again, are you?
Yeah, I think.
Look at Paris.
Too brave to take the stairs down.
I'm down to take the stairs.
Yeah, so you want to take the stairs down, Mom?
I don't think so. I've changed my mind on
Good.
that.
Hey.
Again, 2 different angles that you can see which one I like this.
And now we're waiting for the second elevator. Jamie is going to take the stairs up, though. She has said that she wants to do it to raise awareness for Stair Climbers United. What was her catchphrase that she was saying earlier? If you don't climb the stairs, you're a wussy. I don't. Maybe my quoting is not. Yeah, it was similar, but not identical. But anyway, we should be going up momentarily. Now, don't put an infant's fingers here in the thing. It says that right clearly. All right, well.
Rules are
And in we go. Here we go in the elevator. Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. Wow. 2.5 million rivets. 200 people or 300 people? 300 people taking white hot rivets and hammering them into place. That is incredible. 280 meters. Stuff. Let's see. Spread out down below. So it feels like being on top of the Empire State Building, right around? Or the Space Needle, or the
Empire State Building.
Oh wow. Bureau de Gustave Eiffel. Campagne de Seine. This is his little office. Wow.
Comment ça disons? Gustave Eiffel.
It's amazing. Highest bathroom in Paris. I've flown around this as an eagle in the VR experience Eagle Flight, except it was a post-apocalyptic Paris. So similar, not identical. Is that a giant park? Is that like their Central Park? I mean, that's pretty amazing, though.
Not bad. I mean,
So hang on. That's cool. Yeah, we were able to read even without Google Translate, which Google Translate has been a lifeline. But we were able to read this note about fixing the TV.
It took about 5 minutes.
Well, but think about how much faster you would get once you got the basics, most of the language that you needed to get down, especially like if you're already studying German. I mean, if you were over here for any amount of time and you had Duolingo that was helping you practice and learn all the basics, you pick up words left and right very quick. And conversation, I'll bet, too.
stop and get the kids drinks. We could stop and get a bottle of wine. I could just leave this here.
That's fine.
It's pretty heavy.
I can also carry mine. Or swap me bags.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, I might do that.
I learned the most important thing to say in German
What's that?
when you're an English speaker. I don't understand you.
Is there a way to phrase that? I would like to understand you. I would like to understand you. Because then that shows our desire and intention.
Well, then you wouldn't put in dish or nished.
At our house.
Okay.
Okay, that's
That is the one that
Oh, is it? That's the one you brought?
agreement
You
that a
brought
lot
that
of
with you?
Parisians, like slurred, talk fast, and use a lot of slang.
Yeah. Well, that makes sense.
I don't know how good of an environment Paris in particular is. Well, I don't know. I mean, a lot of people are speaking.
But you saw the different dialects in New York and all that stuff, right? And still, if people are trying to be understood, they can find ways to do that.
And then, can you talk slowly, or can you please talk slowly?
Yeah.
Can you please talk slowly? Yes.
Yeah.
Kannst du bitte langsam sprechen?
Yeah.
Or sprechen?
Good point.
Okay. You guys ready?
Okay, let's do it. Enter via Place de la Bastille. Okay. Sounds good.
Oh, here's an entrance right here.
Bravo. I see there are options.
Hey, Arana,
Entrance right here.
we're gonna take the one.
Put your own ticket in. Simply put your own ticket in.
Now, I'm not sure if these Oh, make it all the way through.
Here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, Lily.
All right.
Okay.
est interdite dans tous les espaces de transport, que ce soit dans les couloirs, les quais ou à bord des trains, sous peine d'avoir à rester les autres voyageurs.
What do you do if they're bigger than these doors?
Merci.
They just keep going deeper.
What? Oh. This is actually the entrance to the catacombs.
Jeff just starts walking like he knows the place, like he's lived here his whole life, with full confidence.
There's going to be an exit. I can smell air, said Jamie.
They had more hesitation, like picking up the philosopher's stone, like literally entering cells.
And they're like, hold on.
The Arc de Triomphe.
Hey, come here.
That is way bigger than I realized.
You got a Heineken?
What do you think, Stephanie? How could we improve this experience for you? Ice cream. Oh, okay. I'll figure that out.
We'll grab a little video clip.
Scariest height I've ever been at, for sure.
The Royal Gorge.
Royal Gorge, because it was tall and it was concerningly open.
Windy. Gorgeous. That looks like fun. Let's go get on the boat. Here next to Le Tour Eiffel. Wow, those people are having a ball. It's like downtown Nashville here.
Unité franco-russe. Il a été le premier pont à Paris à traverser la Seine d'une seule arche et son architecture est typique de la Belle Époque. In front of us, the Alexander III Bridge built in 1900 to celebrate the friendship between France and Russia. It was the first bridge in Paris that spanned the river in one single arch, and its architecture is typical to the turn of century La Belle Époque. All the restaurants, there is 381 of them, and all of them are different. Datos de todos el puente nuevo. Siguieron viendo a lo largo del puente con esculturas en la piedra. Se llaman los mascotas. Hay 3 qui ont sauvé la tour Eiffel de la destruction. Le nom de 72e.
That is work here. Mom, I'm not ever so sure how I feel about that offer, but I think I'll accept just as a trial.
Well, I mean, I feel like
Oh, there'll be a trial.
For sure. When in Rome.
Wait, when in Rome? How old do you gotta be in Rome? Is 13 enough? Okay.
You're 13? Wow, that's just it.
You know, I was about to say just 12 enough, but nope, I realized, wait, I'm 13.
You guys just enough that how old you were. How is it? I mean, no, I don't want one, but how is it? Like, is it the same?
They seem pretty similar. If they're different, it's slight.
Hello, beer wine, sir?
Enabling all of my family.
I love this.
You love it?
Thank you for getting caramel for me. Always remember that caramel is my favorite chocolate. It will
I'll stand and pull it in front of the after her.
Scooch back just a little bit.
Beer, wine, beer.
like it.
Right.
All right.
I can tell that this is lemonade at least. Never gonna be Minute Maid, simply, but it's lemonade. So it matters. You want to put this up on?
Maybe not that long.
You know this beer, brother.
Where the grass is on.
Is there grass in it?
3 more, please.
Wait, you mean there's guys who can eat you, not just me?
Well, I guess what I'm saying is just slow down. We don't need the entire box. Let's go ahead and pause on that.
I know. I love
But I
love
don't-
feeling like I'm being interned at a camp. Excuse me, sir. You are not a camp. Give that basket to Stetson Cage down here over here.
We're not in Germany yet.
We do not allow the people from inside the cage to play with the people outside the cage. Please go to and exit. Only entrance and exit.
A lot of the
Lily.
camps were in
Adam.
I think so, right? What? Was in Auschwitz and Bergen-Belsen and a few others.
I don't know that they were all like that. All the places were. You know,
No, they
several.
weren't all in Poland. They were spread across Nazi areas.
Well, I look forward to when we get the new VR headset coming back and enjoying some wine and cheese here at the foot of the Eiffel Tower.
Rana,
in Bjork.
is Nazi Germany a place in Germany?
No. Nazi Germany is the time when Germany was controlled by the Nazi Party.
I'm gonna have to find out what Nazi means.
Because Germany was a different environment then under the Nazis.
You're so pretty. I need pictures of you under the tower, by the way.
Yeah.
We all got flowers on.
I know.
We can do a
I know.
do a little photo shoot if you
We
want
need
to
to
do
do
that.
it.
About to get fun.
My head like that?
Uh-huh. You just can walk around a little bit. Well,
Don't get
we're gonna walk.
Where do you walk?
I don't want to go.
just be right in
Really
front of
don't.
us.
Hold it lower. Perfect. Yeah. Now just walk it.
We can still see you.
Stay in front of us.